Welcome to this technical guide on the MacBook A1502. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your MacBook A1502 won't turn on due to a CPU short, you're likely experiencing a common issue where the central processing unit is failing to operate correctly. This can occur due to overheating, power surges, or manufacturing defects. If left unresolved, it may lead to further damage, making your device completely inoperable. To tackle this issue, you will need a few tools: a P5 pentalobe screwdriver, a T5 Torx screwdriver, a spudger, tweezers, and some thermal paste for reassembly. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step repair process. First, ensure your MacBook is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Using the P5 pentalobe screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the bottom case. Keep these screws organized to avoid confusion later. Gently lift the bottom case off, being mindful of any clips that may hold it in place. Once you have access to the internals, locate the CPU, which is typically situated under the heat sink. To remove the heat sink, detach any screws around it using the T5 Torx screwdriver, and carefully lift it away. Be cautious not to disturb any nearby components as you do this. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After removing the heat sink, you can see the CPU. If you notice any burn marks or a smell of burnt components, it's likely that the CPU has failed. You will need to replace it with a compatible unit. To do this, gently disconnect any cables attached to the CPU and use the spudger to detach it from its socket. Once removed, place the new CPU in the socket, ensuring it is aligned correctly. Apply a thin layer of thermal paste to the top of the CPU before reattaching the heat sink. Secure the heat sink back with the screws you previously removed. Finally, replace the bottom case by aligning it properly and fastening all the screws. Now, reconnect your device to power and see if it turns on. If it does, congratulations, you've successfully repaired your MacBook A1502. To prevent a CPU short from occurring in the future, make sure to keep your device clean and well ventilated to avoid overheating. Regularly check for software updates that can improve system stability and performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.